data science at Wake Tech Community College. And our program is a program that is a part of the IT division at Wake Tech Community College. We are one of 58 community colleges in the state of North Carolina, and I'm happy to say we are the largest community college with the most students in all of the community colleges in North Carolina. The IT division is the largest division in the Wake Tech community, and my department, which is Programming and Information Sciences, is the largest department within the largest division. So I usually have about 2,000 students. Currently, I have about 300 active students in my data science program. And it has been a program that's been around since 2019. We did a major rehaul when I was hired back in August of 2019, where we took a business analytics out of the business administration program and brought it into the IT division. And we looked at the two different curriculums and decided, well, how are we going to disseminate and differentiate between those two programs? And what we decided to do was to focus in data science on the back end, and then our business analytics focuses on the front end of data analytics and data science and just data information. So the programming learning outcomes for our data science program are that students are able to input, manage, manipulate, report, analyze data using appropriate programming languages. The focus of our program with languages is Python, so all of our students do learn Python. Another learning outcome is that students will discuss applications of data analytics and the support of big data. And then students will also work effectively as a team, in a team, and to help solve real world problems. And then also explain the ways to ensure the quality and security of all written code and data. And then also have the ability to produce college level content that conveys purpose and meaning at the mastery level. And then finally, students will have the opportunity or the ability to, I have to move my screen here, will be able to solve those problems, draw conclusions, and generate new ideas or artifacts using appropriate languages. So some of the data tools that we use in our program are SAS, and again, the Python. Our statistics students are taught statistics with R. We then, for data visualization, teach Tableau, and we're actually getting ready to bring in some Power BI. We have found that the two of those applications serve our students and our community well with getting students hired. GitHub, and then of course SQL and Oracle. So our data science, in the SQL world, they are learning how to work with database objects, data population, data transactions, data deletion, data query, database development. They're looking at writing SQL code, creating data scripts, and then using Python, input, process, output, decisions, repetitions, all using both the object-oriented and procedural language part of Python. So who do we serve? One would think that being at Wake Tech, we would serve right out of high school students at the two-year community college. But in our data science program, we found that the average age is actually 34. Students are usually head of household, so they're working and going to school at the same time. 43% female, 57% male. And then we also have in our ethnic types, 34% white, 29% Asian, 19% Black, and 11% Native American. And we're actually participating in a NSF grants, collab grants, where we're looking at these underserved populations and how we can serve them better. So those lower numbers, we're hoping to grow those lower numbers as well. One of the biggest things that I think our program differentiates from the four-year programs or the other different programs is the practical application. Our students have an opportunity in the degree program to do work-based learning, where they have the opportunity to work as an intern, earn valuable experience, get paid, and earn credit all at the same time. Our data science students also participate in our 2-semester capstone project. It is starts in the fall, and they are grouped with other students within the course, and they start the software development process, but they only do the first part. So they did the project pitch, the systems software requirements document, and then a high-level document. And then all of the projects that are finished at that point in CSC 154 come forward to the second semester, the programming capstone, where they are assigned a programmer, they're assigned a database person, and they actually pick one of the projects that was pitched in the fall, and they actually bring it to fruition. And it's from scratch, and it's the entire process. The great thing about our capstone project is we mentor our students with professional industry representatives. So folks from my advisory committee, they actually volunteer to come in and spend time with our students in the fall and the spring semester to give them that professional advice, as well as getting the academic advice and credentials or critiques as they move through that software development lifecycle. And then the other thing is soft skills, soft skills, soft skills. We hear it all the time. We are working very hard within our curriculum to ensure that the soft skills are as great as the technical skills. We have been working with our work-based learning partners here for the last 2 semesters. I have one partner in particular who they also hire 4-year interns. And I learned earlier this week that my 2-year community college data science students are outperforming some of those 4-year university students. So I'm happy to say all 5 of those interns are being hired into full-time positions with HCL America, doing data science and working and starting their professional careers there. So if you'd like to learn more about our program, I have created a QR code, and that will take you straight to our website. One of the great things that I do love about our program is that we have an amazing partnership and articulation agreement with UNC Charlotte with their data science program. Yeah, I saw that, Doug. And we are constantly sharing that information with our students. And I know we've had several students who've come to Charlotte and has joined the program there. And I can't wait to hear how our students are doing compared to the native students. And that's something we'll talk about later, Doug. Other than that, that's all I have. And I will turn it over to Rachel.